family. Hope you guys are having an absolutely awesome day. Back on another weekend out looking at cars, and we are at the Burr Community Center, or Village Center car show. They partnered with Windy City Corvettes, and they got some things going on out here. It's not a really big show. They spread out. Everything has a little bit of something beneath it or around it. I mean, space around them, but there are some nice cars out. Let's take a look, man. I like this thing. Sheesh. This custom is nasty. She's pretty. Oh, look at that leather. It smells good, too. Sheesh. We got this young lady's Hot Wheels. She's at a lot of shows, man. Her car is decked out. Lots of lights. Check her out. So they got some things out here. We got this Stingray, C7 Stingray. How you doing today, man? You doing all right yourself, brother?
It's not raining anymore. For now.
Huh?
It's not raining anymore.
I'm serious. You can say that again. Look, I pulled up after a nice drive in, and like a few little drops started. I'm like, really?
Yeah.
Good Lord. Yeah, I'm hoping it'll.
Nice little break for a while.
Yeah, I'll take it all day long. If it just cools it off a little bit. Yeah. Because the problem that happens after that is the steam.
Yeah.
Don't miss it. Don't miss it. From New Orleans, so I don't miss it at all. Godspeed too. Yes, sir. Green with those bronze wheels look amazing to me. Like the bronze wheels. Really like the bronze wheels. Ooh, Wildcat. Sheesh. Like the Wildcat, guys. 63. She looks good. Plus we got the Shelby over here. The black and the gold. Diggity. Looks good. Burr 911. Okay, Miss Show, this is what you did. I think you should look at it. Just saying, you convinced that old dude to do it. You be in the business. Let's go, V. Let's go, V. She looks good. We just looked at this car last week. I like this wagon. Man, on them black Rosses with that, man, that looks so good. Man, I probably should be thinking about a wagon as opposed to just an SUV. This sucker looks so nice. Good Lord. I like this wagon, bro. This wagon, every time I see it, it makes me second think all my thoughts. I love them, man. Euro projects, RS4s. I always love these RS4s. You know about this RS4, you know this is a V8. This sucker is nasty. Love them. So 2010 maybe? Nope, 2007. Like the trophies, yeah, it might be. These is nice. It's an 88. 328 GTB. She's clean. Beautiful car. He got him a best in show. This is just heaven. I'm in heaven. 488, baby. You know how much I love this car. This thing is beautiful. It's a piece of jewelry, man. Man, I need a piece of pista in my life, for real, for real. She's gorgeous. I love the red Alcantara. on the door cards. Oh, that's beautiful. Pretty good job with this one. The thing is spec to the hilt. And there's this guy. She's pretty too, man. Still got a little rain on the tires, which sucks. Been raining off and on. Gotta love this glass cover. Fingerprints suck, but she's beautiful. Always love the Stingray, guys. This sucker's nice. I like the wheels on this. Really like those wheels. Those are pretty cool. It's like a wide spoke that they cut something off. That is so cool. Sheesh, I like that. That looks cool, man. You see? Got the wide spoke there. Man, that's unique. Love that wheel. Love that. Yeah, this thing is clean. It's beautiful, man. Woo! Beautiful. Oh my God. A white interior. Sheesh. 72, baby. Chevelle. I know we see them everywhere. Chevelles are all over the place. Boy, this thing is pretty. Sheesh. God, it's beautiful. Beautiful Cobra. Cary Cobra, replica. She's pretty though. For real. Nice. Never seen one of these before. At least I don't think I have. Ultima RS. She's pretty though. When I was looking at this thing, it looked like I got brand new rotors. Oh, I love this car. Oh, this sucker got a whole LT4 in it. Bruh, look at that X-Bike. Sheesh. Oh, this is that kit car. This is that kit car that, what you calling to me about? Say, I think this is that car that you told me about, bro. Oh man, I think this is it. That thing was nice, man, but look. Let's go back to some of the classics, man. 84 Celica GTS. I used to love this car. Man, I wanted a Celica just so bad, especially the GTSs. These things were hot back in the day, guys. And this one looks amazing. What I loved about it was just the manual, the lines. It just seems slick, man. Like that thing.
That wasn't my job.
This is nice. Resto. Pretty.
Yeah.
The Chevelle. Sheesh. Got a couple of pieces on there. Got a Tommy gun. Lord, that mercy. It's Cuddy clean. She's nice. 72 Cuddy. Yes, sir. She's clean, sir. Nice. Beautiful. Got a Z28 over here, man. Gen 3. We got the kit car out here. Got a couple of more cars out here. Cary. She's clean. Another 392. Lights and doors. Man, these Maros, man, they just be looking like they about to stand up and transform. Love them. Sheesh. Love this car, man. Beautiful, beautiful. This truck is nasty too, guys. Center exhaust, full pipes. Man, she's clean on the inside. Love the wheels, old Mustang wheels. Big motor. Sheesh. She's beautiful, man.
Oh, like 2 in the morning.
Wow. This is pretty. Love this thing. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Bed is clean. Not pretentious. Love the door car. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's nice. I like it. So let's take a look at this thing. I like the colors on this thing is just killer, man. I think they work well. It looks really good to me. I like this. Like, who'd have thought to put these colors together, man? They just work so well. It's the RX-5. It's nice. Carbon bits. The flashes of the, almost like a frosted cherry with the frosted bronze and the frosted black. Man, they did good on top of this gray with those Vossens. I'm gonna say that's a good job. That's a good job. Yeah. So this is the entrance, man. And one thing I didn't realize that they had other stuff going on over here. They have the Taste of Burr Ridge. So it's this little food thing going on right in the middle of the food court. This should be fun. Looks like they got a stage, probably gonna have some live music. You buy your ticket so you can get your food. Cabinet refreshments. So got a bunch of vendors out here. You got food, you got final.
What's her name?
Look, I thought Show would have put him over here, man. I don't even see him. What's that? Like slushies over there. Shawarma over here. A lot of cool stuff, man. Tamales. It's pretty good. So I don't know some of these people. Boba tea. Yeah, pizza. This is kind of cool, man. Out here throwing bags. They got Jenga. Connect 4.
Good. Really good job.
They got a lot of really cool stuff out here. So this is kind of, they got face painting from the sponsors. Pretty drag stream orthodontist. Kids getting their face painted. They're throwing bags over here. They got the hydrangeas. That's for my boy. Another conversation. Oh, they got panning for gold. Mining, excuse me, for gold. I got lemonade over here. I smell donuts. A lot of good stuff, man. This is kind of cool. All kind of treats. Aqua Fresca. Aqua Fresca. Nectars, cold brew muffins. How you doing? What's this? Oh, Hampton Social. Middle lobster rolls.
Right here.
Smash burgers. Nice. Roast. Frost. That's the spot right there. We got some cute going on out here. We messing with some beans. The stage getting ready. Beer, wine, and other things. Yeah, man. Seems like it's a hit. Bruh. About to dig into some of this and see what's happening. So, guess I'm gonna have to holler at y'all later, man. Y'all know how we do, man. We'll do the normal around here. No, sir. Why is that? God. Because we're designed for greatness. Because we're designed for greatness, guys, you have the right, the responsibility, and authority to never be average. So, guys, don't be average.
Take flight, Swole's channel grows.